In this video, we will show you how to create 3 types of sticky headers in Gutenberg using the CBB plugin. We will start with the custom header block. You can get it from the CBB block library, or you can create your own header by following another video in the description. You can also simply put your header inside an advanced group block to utilize all the custom features of CBB. Let's create the first type of sticky header by adding the sticky content feature to the block. Enable the sticky content and make the block always stick to the viewport. Add more support features to customize the style of the block. We have just finished creating a header that is always fixed at the top of the viewport. Before moving on to create the next type of sticky header, we will create a variation to save these settings. Transform the block to this new variation. In the next part, we will create a sticky header that only sticks to the top of the viewport when scrolling up. However, it will be hidden on scrolling down to provide more space for your content. Let's start by creating a new variation. Turn on the stick to the top when scrolling up setting. Transform the block to this new variation. Click on the Reset Variation button to match the attributes of the block with the attributes of the active variation. Adjust the settings to apply the style only when the header is in the stuck state. Click on the Reset Variation button to update the changes. Switch back to the fixed header to test again. We have just finished creating two types of sticky headers. In the final part, we will create another type of sticky header that only sticks to the viewport when scrolling down past it. Let's start by creating another variation that has no sticky settings. Transform the block to this new variation to reset the sticky settings. This third type of sticky header requires us to apply the sticky settings on the header template part for it to work properly. Turn on the Detecting the Stuck State setting. Add a custom style to the header when it is in the stuck state. We have just finished another type of sticky header. With this type of sticky header, you will need to apply these settings to the header template part in all of your page templates. We have also added 3 variations for the header template part into the CBB variation library. You can import and use them in your sites with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about CBB, please check out our other videos and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials.